Okay guys, we've got our bearing packer from Machine Intergrations here. We're getting ready to put it to work on a 2012 Sportsman 800. This quad's got roughly 500 miles and 73 hours on it. You're going to see how many pumps of grease this will take. 1 pump, 2 pumps, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And it sounds like I can hear it coming out the other side. Let's see if we can get a shot of that. So, okay, heard it coming out the back side here, or the front side actually. 23 pumps is what we put into this. And like we said, this ATV has got roughly 500 miles on it. So we got 23 pumps of grease into the bearing. I'm going to put the hub assembly in, give it a couple spins, work that grease around, see how much more we can get. Okay, we're going to put our tool back in and see how many more we can get. 24, 25, 26. And it's starting to come out. So with the bearing grease packer from Machine Intergrations, we were able to get 26 pumps of grease into our wheel bearing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Heard some air come out the back side. I'm going to go ahead and check it. You start to see some working out. Try just a little more. That was 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16 pumps. I started. You can see it's pushing some of the old, dirty, muddy grease out. 17, 18, 19, 20. Now it's starting to push out. So 20 total on the back left side. Okay, now we're going to be doing the front wheel bearings. This does take a different size tool. These are different size bearings on the front. Put it in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Heard some air come out. 18. Check the back side. We got some coming out the back side at 18 pumps. 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 on the front. Okay, now we're going to be greasing the other side of the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. At 15, you can see it's pushing water out. It's got water squirting out. 16. So it's 16 pumps. And we'll reinstall the grease packer. 17, 18, 19. So at 19 it's starting to come out.